Task management is vital to drive individual and team productivity. SOLIDWORKS Manage integrates this effort with your documents, processes, and projects to keep everything connected in one easy-to-access location. With the 2020 release, task creation and delegation is streamlined using task templates. Create a task template to predefine the subject, priority, time allocated, assignee, task details, and notes of your repeatable activities. With these templates in place, you can quickly populate the details of your next task and include any specifics. In this case, a unique attachment is added. This makes it quick and easy for the assignee to get to work without searching for the right data. Streamline your task creation and delegation with SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020.